Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Angel V Designs. If you are new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back, or good evening if you're watching this at night. It's just morning right now, so that's why I say good morning. But you guys, have you seen the announcement, the Cricut announcement? If you haven't, definitely go check it out. But Cricut, I just want to take a second to thank Cricut for sending me the Cricut EasyPress 3 and the new hat press. I am so excited to be trying it out. I'm not going to go into a review and demo today. This is really just going to be an unboxing. I'm going to talk about the hat press, I'm going to talk about the EasyPress, and we're going to talk about the new Cricut app as well, the Cricut Heat app. So that's what we're going to be covering today. I'm going to be showing you guys these new goodies. They are definitely awesome, especially this hat press. If you don't do hats, I'm not a hat person, but I am now because of this hat press. But yes, we are definitely going to get into these products and what are they, right? What are these? What are these? What is this new hat press? What does it do? What does it look like? What does this EasyPress do? What's the difference between this and the other EasyPress, right? I'm sure those are all the questions that you have. Y'all, I'm gonna get into it. And we're gonna talk about it. So if you want some insight on these products, well, not insight yet, because like I said, I'm not doing the review or the demo today. But if you want to, see what it is, what it looks like, we're gonna go ahead and talk about that, so stick around. All right, guys, so the first product I'm gonna be unboxing is going to be the hat press. Now the reason why I really like this hat press is I'm not a hat person, okay? I'm not a huge hat person. I don't do a whole lot of hat crafts on my channel, just because I felt like the hats it was so tedious. The process was extremely tedious, and I didn't like how sometimes you would have uneven pressure, and it was just always something when it came to the hats. So I just said, you know what, that's okay. I'm not super pressed to do hats, so I'm just gonna skip out on this particular project, which is hats. But this hat press, what makes this hat press different than like a mini press is gonna be this curved plate. Do y'all see how curved that is? So it sits right on the my ring light cut off here, but it sits right on the front of the hat. I don't know why my ring light just is like, nope, not today. And it comes with, let me see here. So it comes with now I can't think of the name of it. Y'all, I'm having a brain fart. But this sits inside of the hat, okay? It's a hat form. That's what it is, a hat form. The hat form you put right on the inside of the hat so that you don't have to worry about your hat not going anywhere, not moving or anything like that. And then it has, so the hat goes right on top of here. It has a handle for you to hold it with the hat. I'm actually gonna go grab a hat and we're gonna put it on here so I can show you how it fits on there. I will be right back. All right, so here's the hat, okay? The hat goes right on top of the form. And you can loosen it or tighten it to make sure it fits nice and snug on there, okay? And then it has a handle here, like I said, so you can move it around if you need to. But just look how perfect the plate sits right on the front, y'all, okay? Hello? Okay, so that's everything that comes in the box. Is going to be your hat press. It's going to be the protective here, so you're not sitting it right on your surface, and then the hat form. That's what you get in this box. So again, I really like this hat press because, like I said, I'm not a hat person. But this is going to make me be a hat person. I'm definitely interested in doing some hat crafts now because like I said before, I just felt like the pressure was always uneven for hats. So that's why I just never really got into them. All right, you guys, so the next thing I'm gonna go ahead and open up here is going to be this EasyPress 3, the Cricut EasyPress 3. Now, this is what I'm definitely excited about, because all of my projects don't require me to turn on my heat press, okay? And I definitely want something that I can use at home rather than my office, because for those that have been following me, you know that I have an office where I craft at. And inside, you know, my office, I have my heat press and, you know, stuff like that. But sometimes there are crafts that just don't need my EasyPress. I mean, my heat press. It's just not required for me to use it, but I have to use it because the other EasyPress that I was using is either, I think I have the smaller one. Okay, so this one is bigger than the other EasyPress that I have. This is also one I can use at home because I do like DIY projects here at home as well. And I have 2 makers. So one at home and one at my office. And then, you know, now I can have an EasyPress at home that will do the job. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that sits. And it's in the Zen Blue color, so it does match the Maker 3. If you have the Maker 3 in Zen Blue, it matches that. It's the same color. Okay, so this, let me turn my camera a little bit, is the EasyPress 3. Now, I'm sure you're like, well, what's the difference? What's the difference, girl? The difference is this one is Bluetooth. Okay, let me grab my phone. Okay, so I had to find my phone. Y'all, I couldn't find my phone. Okay, but anyways, I know you guys are asking, so what's the difference, right? What's the difference between this and the EasyPress, the EasyPress 1 or the EasyPress 2? So the difference is going to be that this is Bluetooth capable with your phone, and it makes it extremely, extremely beginner free. So basically, the app is going to tell you how to use the EasyPress, how to do the project that you're doing. So for instance, I'm not going to go into a whole bunch of detail about the app just yet because like I said, I'm not doing a whole review, but the app is on the phone. So you're going to download it onto your phone, and then let's say you want to use your EasyPress, right? You're going to start a new project. It's going to ask you for your transfer material. So what are you using? So let's say glitter iron-on. And we're putting the glitter iron-on 100% cotton. So now we've picked the material we're using, what we're applying it to, and the work surface. It's going to be the Cricut EasyPress, the pad. That is what we're going to be using underneath it. Then you go over to next. It's going to give you a quick iron-on tutorial within the app if you need it. Go to next. Of course, Scam Likely would call me. But then it's going to give you directions, okay? So it's going to tell you that you need, your heat press needs to be 330 degrees Fahrenheit to use glitter iron-on 100% cotton. It's going to tell you to preheat your blank for 5 seconds. You press for 30 seconds. You flip and press it again for 15 seconds, and you peel cool. Okay, it tells you everything that you need to know right in the app. The time, the temperature, the preheat time, the flip and press time, and the peel. You peel it cool or hot. It tells you everything you need to know about what you're doing, right? So then you're gonna send the settings to your EasyPress. Now it's telling me it's heating up my EasyPress. And it has 1 minute left to heat up my EasyPress. Do y'all see that? And it says to apply light pressure. It tells you the pressure as well. Okay, so that's the difference between this one and the other one. Super beginner friendly. Like, I wish I had this easy press when I first started, because time, temperature, pressure, cool peel, hot peel, all of those things were so confusing to me because I was a newbie, right? I didn't know nothing about this stuff. I didn't know anything about what's a cool peel. What does cool peel mean? What does hot peel mean? What does all this terminology mean for a newbie? It's so confusing. So that's the difference. I am so excited to start trying it out, you guys. Like I said, I do have a review and demo coming soon, so please stay tuned for that. But those are the two products that I have, plus the Cricut Heat app. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. That's all that I have for this video. Any questions, comments, concerns, definitely drop them down below. I'm an open book when it comes to these products. And I will definitely answer any questions that you guys have. But thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.